Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you the Look for Less challenge, which you see here, which are the Pottery Barn Kids version and also my version. The Pottery Barn version is $69 and my version I only paid $1, which was just for the signs. It's also a collab with the lovely Yami over at the Latina next door and Lianep from DIY Beauty on Purpose. Feel free to check both ladies out. I would have a link in the description for both their channels and also the playlist, so you can see all the lovely YT creators create their Look for Less pieces. So I started off with these two boards that I had previously used for a project that didn't work out, so I decided to use that instead. These pieces are made for my daughter's bedroom. I've seen home decor for home done with this Look for Less challenge, but I never seen a Look for Less challenge done for kids. So I decided to do that. I switched from my sponge brush to a paper towel thinking that I would have gotten better coverage, but I didn't. So I just used one of my smaller paint brushes, and I guess that did the job. But I did had to do 4 to 5 coats, but if you have white chalk paint you can also use that. Once I had everything dried, I left it to dry in between each coat. I took some black acrylic paint. Here you see me just using this particular acrylic paint because I really didn't want to go get my acrylic paint, so I used my daughter's. But I would advise that you use a straight ruler where you can get a straighter line, because in the Pottery Barn version the lines are pretty straight. So I would advise that you use a straight ruler to do this. But I loved it how it turned out, even though with the little rustic look that it had. So I'm just painting on some lines to give it this faux shiplap look that the sign had. And I did that for both pieces. The lines were a little thinner in the photo, but this is the thinnest paintbrush that I had, so this is what I used. Once I had that done, I sketched out the wording, which are "You are so loved" on one and "You are my sunshine" on the other. And I'm just using the acrylic paint and the colors that match to the sign on the Pottery Barn sign, and I tried to mimic it as close as possible, which I did had a few colors off, but it was very similar. If you're new here, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Please consider hitting that red subscription button down below and also the notification bell to be notified every time I upload a video. I upload new videos every Monday, Wednesdays and Fridays, and occasional videos for collabs and challenges in between. Give this video a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family because it really do helps me out a lot, and leave a comment down below just saying hi. So I did go over some of the letters a couple times because I sketched out the wording a little too heavy, and you could have seen the pencil mark underneath the paint. So I did go over like the lighter letters, like the U and the Y, a couple times so that you won't be able to see the pencil line. So here I'm just gonna be doing the love sign, the love word as well, and I'm just dipping it in some water that I have at the side to clean the paintbrush to use another color. These were pretty simple and pretty easy to make. I absolutely love doing this challenge every month. It's a monthly challenge where Yami chooses a monthly co-host, and you choose a look for less from any store or anywhere, and you try to recreate it on a budget. I am absolutely in love with these two pieces that I made for my daughter. They look so fun, and she would absolutely love it in her room. Here you see me going over some of the letters again with paint as it dried. Also, don't forget to check out the playlist. It has a lot of lovely people here on this channel, on this platform, that does amazing DIYs, and you would be in awe of what it is you would learn and their creativity. So also check their channels out, subscribe to them as well, leave a comment letting them know that you're there. So once I finished both signs, I did do the second one off camera because this video would have been super long. I just went in again with some of the black acrylic paints, and I painted those lines so that you can see it above the letters, so the letters would look like it's behind the lines. Here you see me cutting some pieces of burlap. I'm just cutting like small pieces so that I can add my string to the back. I'm using some burlap string or jute twine or whatever you want to call it, and I'm using my Showbonder hot glue gun, and I'm just placing a piece of that burlap so that it can secure the string and give it a more clean look. I know I say I am in love with every project that I make, and I absolutely am in love with every project, and this one is no different. So I really did enjoy doing this collab with Yami from the Latina Next Door and Lianep from DIY Beauty on a Purpose. Don't forget to check out their channels in the description box below and subscribe to them if you haven't already. And guys, I would see you in the next one. And before I leave, I just want to say that I've been seeing some of my followers being unfollowed. I'm not sure if it's YouTube, so if it's like that, please check and make sure so that you can resubscribe. Thank you so much, and I will see you in the next one.